Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manually update DKIM as text record in GoDaddy. So how do you manually update DKIM as a TEXT record in GoDaddy? Just follow me closely. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your GoDaddy web account. And then the next thing is I'm definitely going to show you how to create an account. And how do you create an account on GoDaddy? From any browser or using the browser of your choice, head over to the top corner where you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type GoDaddy.com, click enter, and it's going to take you to the official website for GoDaddy. From the official website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find sign up. Click on sign up and follow through with the processes to create an account. It's pretty much simple. You're going to be asked to either create an account manually or automatically using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Now, whichever one you choose once you've created an account successfully is going to take you to the GoDaddy homepage. This is not the homepage. Now, from the homepage, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find your profile name, whatever name you choose. Click on that, and you're going to see an extended menu where you see My Products and a whole lot of options. Go ahead and click on My Products, and once you click on My Products, it's going to take you to this fantastic My Products homepage or My Products window where you can navigate to a lot of options to have a great experience of GoDaddy. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to manually update DKIM as a TEXT record in GoDaddy. From this My Product page, head over to Domains, and from Domains, go ahead and click on Manage All. And it's going to take you to the Domain Manager page. It's like it's very slow, but that's not going to stop me. So I'm just going to have to head all the way back and come back right in. So yeah, perfect. So I do not have any domain name set, all right, but that's not going to affect us. Check the left corner, you're going to find DNS. So you need to do is to click on DNS. So now that we're here to manually update DKIM as a TXT, all you need to do is right here in the DNS management page, just follow my process or follow my steps carefully. So while loading your DNS settings, that's fine. Please load up quickly as possible. So here, all you need to do is to click on Add New Record. So click on Add New Record, all right, and then from this type, go ahead and click on TXT. All right, because we want to, of course, update it as a TXT record. All right, so go ahead and click on TXT, and once you click on TXT, or like if you're ready, okay, TXT actually, and then from the name option, go ahead and click on Add, and once you click on Add, and then once you get the value, then you're gonna have to enter the value of your DKIM, all right, by entering or providing your SPF key, which you can definitely get from Aptivo using email deliverability under the INTXT. All right, so maybe you can just launch the Aptivo web application for you to get your SPF there. So once you enter your SPF key, where you see TTL, go ahead and click on the set how long the server should cache the information. You can select this or you can customize it to what you want. And once you've entered all of that information, go ahead and click on save. So this is pretty much the process, how to manually update DKIM as a TEXT record in GoDaddy. Now it's also pretty much simple. Maybe once you have already entered with DKIM already and you just want to update it, maybe you can head over here and click on edit. And then once you click on edit, you can now change the type, all right, from whatever it was to TXT. And that's just it. Then click on save, and that's just gonna be how you can update a DKIM that has already been entered on GoDaddy. But once you have not done that and you want to do it afresh just for the first time. Go ahead and click on add more records and then just enter the process manually. So that's it. All right, so that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to go get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.